In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to blow dry and curl this super cool layered haircut. Super simple and very quick. This is my go-to on all medium to long haircuts. After washing and treating the hair, I prepare the blowout with a thermal protectant and a serum. Combing or brushing the product through for even distribution. For a longer lasting blow dry, I'm starting the blow dry wet. If you want your shape to last longer, this is an amazing tip. I start in the fringe zone, directing the airflow from side to side to take care of any growth patterns. I'm using my ceramic round brush and directing each section forward. For a cheeky cool girl look, I'm directing the hair forward and putting a subtle twist through each section. We repeat the same process on the opposite side. In this tutorial, I'm directing the side sections over the ear back away from the face. This will help to open up the face shape and accentuate our client's cheekbone and jawline. This can help to create a really hot, snatched look. Depending on the thickness of your client's hair, I usually complete the front zone with 3 sections on each side. I continue to stretch and smooth each section using my ceramic round brush. This brush will give a softer finish compared to a ball bristle. If your client has frizzy or fluffy hair and wants a super smooth finish, I'd recommend using a ball bristle brush. And if you want more body in your shape, you could simply set each section in your brush, use a Velcro or do a pin set. We continue this process until we complete the back zone. I'm using the large GHD Curve Wand. Taking half of the fringe and directing it forward, I wind the wand back towards the eyebrow as my guide on a slight angle. I hold in this position until the hair is hot to touch. I then lower the point of my wand underneath my section and then roll my wand so the silver lever faces up. And then I wind my wand back up to the last curl, holding for less time, and then I simply slide the wand out of the section. This will create a tighter wave in the top, working through to a looser mid-length to ends. I now set the fringe or bangs into position and hold to set. On the side zones, I repeat the same process, However, I direct my sections the opposite way. This will help to open up the face, enhancing our client's cheekbones. I now complete the top zone, repeating the same curl direction as the fringe. If you have learned something new, and if you value my work, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe icons. And if you're one of my existing subscribers, have you noticed any difference in the production of this tutorial? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know if you've noticed any differences. You'll notice throughout the hairstyling, I hold certain sections. I do this to set the hair and to create maximum shape that will last. In the back zone, I'm taking horizontal sections. However, my curl pattern will be vertical. This will create very subtle waves. This will help to make the fringe and face frame the feature of this hairstyle. For a more effortless lived-in look, direct your curls one way and then the opposite way. Let me know where you're watching from and if people prefer more effortless, low volume, lived-in looks, or if your clients like big, bouncy blow dries with huge body. I'd love to know. We continue this process working all the way up to the top of the back zone. And if you like this haircut, you should check out the tutorial. It's in the card above and in the bio below. For a sleek finish, I would use serum. However, I've chosen to use texture spray to create a more effortless, lived-in finish. I'm using my wide tooth Yarnica Kafur comb to brush out my haircut shape. You could use a Mason & Pearson brush, you could use your fingers, you could use a fine tooth comb, really just depends on the finish you'd like. This is my super easy go-to cool girl blowout. Let me know in the comments below what you think. To add more shape and volume, direct your client's head back and spray your texture spray from underneath. And if you have learnt something new or value my work, please hit the like and subscribe icons. And if you liked this tutorial, you're definitely going to like this one next. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next week.